Take a look at that night and day difference from what it first looked like before we wiped it down. We can even see the wipe right here. Hey everyone, David here with Chef Media Group. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. So this features 3 75 count packs of Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, and these are bleach free wipes. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. As you can see, we have 3 identical packs, each consisting of 75 wet wipes. It weighs 1 pound, 2.5 ounces, or 524 grams. Our scent is the Fresh Scent, Clorox logo branding all around this. We have our instructions and how to use on the back, depending on the area that we're cleaning. And we have some of the protections you get with this wipe and what it's able to kill and prevent right there. And then we can easily just open this up, and then we have this inside that just peels out, and then there you go, you can see we have the wipes right here, and they definitely are wet, that's for sure. So here you go, you can see the wipe, and we have 75 of these in each pack. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So these wipes are super versatile. They're great for just about any surface. So you can see we have a dirty vanity countertop right here that we're going to wipe down with the wipe. You could also use it if you wanted to clean the faucet and the handles, toilets, kitchen countertops, anything along those lines. So let's go ahead. Let's start using it to clean right here. And you can see we have some toothpaste residue that we're able to get off. We're just using our fingernail with the wipe. And then you can see we have a lot of dust as well on here, but it's definitely making a pretty big difference right away, even just on the surface. Again, most of this is just dust that you're seeing, so we can collect it and kind of wipe it right out of the way. But take a look at that night and day difference from what it first looked like before we wiped it down. And then I can show you, this is gross, but we can even see the wipe right here and how dirty it is. You can see some stuff on the other side too. So you can kind of get a feel for how good of a job these wipes are going to do just on a simple surface like this bathroom countertop. So check that out. 3 wipes later and everything looks as good as new.